Your attention, please. The Disneyland Limited now arriving at New Orleans Square. Right. The seats on the don'ts. Easter Station to New Orleans Station. Welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. We're embarking on a grand circuit tour of the Magic Kingdom. We'll be stopping in New Orleans Square, Minnie's Toontown, Tomorrowland. We'll also visit the Grand Primeval World and make a trip back in time, Age of the Dinosaur. Turning to Main Street Station. As we begin our Remember Safe Trip, please stay seated and your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Supervise your children. First stop is New Orleans Square Station. To get there, we need to the Wilds of Adventureland. Disney preschool through here. There's a real jungle out there. Literally. Be on the lookout. I might be looking along the way. Just ahead is the New Orleans Square. Station is the Search Frontierland and Bio Country. If you'll be leaving us here, please remain seated till this coaster comes to a complete stop of getting off. Those who launched with us, the journey will be tripping in just a moment. This is New Orleans Square Station. New Orleans Square. Alrighty folks, we're arriving at New Orleans Square Station. Phone comes to complete stop. Those who are just joining us, welcome aboard to the Disneyland Railroad. To ensure a safe flight, please sit with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids. Now it's probably saying, sing a song is a joyful celebration. How do you declare on you could join many adventures of Winnie the Pooh. And Brer Rabbit is the beloved critter. Unfit adventures. Please remain seated inside the train at all times. To go past the Country Bear Barbecue Jamboree. Members of America. Entering into the frontier. For that a century and a half. This is my favorite part of the journey. Around every bend, as far as I can see. There is the review of Indian Shaw on those of Great River Belly. But like you've been riding these railroads since the 1920s through now to nature's wonderland. For days to the months that run a stagecoach. Think how these feel, but not only these hyper the trains of a whole new generation. Rest in the great frontier. Please remain seated in the train at all times. Really wild and unbelievable. We're here from a steer's grand hold, holding trains and turn them into wild lows. This tunnel sends us in transition frontier to another land. Once again, Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse. Just stop to the Toontown Depot. This whole celebration of Mickey's Toontown. Mickey's Toontown Depot is always Fantasyland. Many of your favorite animated story characters and stories. Please remain seated inside the range at all times and watch your children and realize when watch your step. Hide the Mickey's train. Those who belong with us. Alrighty, we're arriving to Mickey's Toontown. Please remain seated till a train comes to a complete stop. To explore the world. We're now steaming forward into the future. Visions into Tomorrowland. The Astro Blasters. We're ahead in this is the latest version of the day the entire Western Hemisphere. Having been built since 1955. Prove the model. Fun-filled Rainoutopia. There's Folly, no license required. If you're in a submarine spaceship, not with different empires and emperors, Tomorrowland is definitely the place. Speaking of which, going into the Tomorrowland station right now. If you're leaving us here, don't leave it till we come to a complete stop. Gather your belongings, saviors and astro blasters, step carefully from the train. Thanks and have a fun future. Most of you sit tight. We'll be in just a minute. Alrighty, folks, you have arrived at Tomorrowland Station. Arrived to the Grand Canyon's primeval world. So, thank you to those who just came on board. Next leg of our journey from the fantastic future to breathtaking nature on nature's design. The Grand Canyon. For your safety, please remain seated with hands, arms, feelings inside the train. Watch your children and no flash photography. Boys away and wallows, including spinners. That was the Grand Canyon as we know it today. It wasn't always this way. Now let's travel back in time. Fantastic past of the primeval world. Roar! Now we're turning to on time. Every beach station gateway. You're leaving us here. And see till we come to a complete stop. Remember to grab all your personal belongings carefully from the train. Especially like to thank everyone for joining me in the Grand Circle Tour of Disneyland.